Hello everyone, this is AJ Hamito and tonight I will make another video on how to use Minicam because one of our followers asked me to make another video using English. Well, I will try my best. I hope that this video might help you. Alright, so let's start now. Let's download the Minicam. So let's have here, let's type the minicam.com. Okay, here it is. There you go. Now you can see here the Minicam we have buy now or download now. So of course I don't want to pay because I don't have money, but I will show you on how to use it in the free version. I already made a video of this one. That is a Minicam 9.0.1, but this time we're going to download the Minicam latest version, which is 9.0. Okay, alright, so let's download it now. Here, now after you click the download for free, you can see here you have a download for Windows and download for Mac or MacBook. But since I am using computer, so we are going to download the Windows. Okay, here it is. Just click it. And here, alright, so it's downloading now. Let's wait for a few seconds. There you go. Okay, here. Now, after that one, you can see, do you want, there's a question, do you want to run this file? Of course, yes. Just click the run. Alright, here we go. So after that one, then let's see here. You can see, okay. Now, there's another question. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Is it yes or no? Of course, we're going to click the yes button. Okay, so after the one, so here you can see, select your language. There are different kinds of languages here. You can see the Dutch, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, Russian. So also simplified Chinese. So if you can speak Dutch, then that's good. You can just click choose the Dutch, or you can speak German. It's okay, or Korean. It's okay as long as you can navigate the tool correctly. Alright, since I can only speak English and Tagalog, but there's no Tagalog here, so we'll just use the English one. Okay, after that one, so let's have here I accept. There you go, it's loading now. So anyway, if you are an online teacher, it's very useful in our daily jobs because there's a lot of features. Using the Minicam, it's really nice. You can have an interactive, and of course your students will be very happy when they saw some effects on your screen. So yeah, it's finished now. Let's continue. There you go. Hello, it's me. Okay, so yeah, after you download that one, so that's what you can see on your screen. So here we go. So you can write your first name, last name, email, password, grade, whatever it is, but I don't want to, so it's up to you. It's your choice. Well, I just want to close this one. Alright, on the upper part, on the left upper part, you can see here the effects and the camera. So the camera that you are using. So we are using 2K camera. So, and of course the effects. So we're going to use the effects if you are conducting classes online. So you can use the effects. Just click the effect, double click. You can see here all effects, the GIFs, animals, borders. So here, I will discuss some of the important parts in here because it takes a lot of time if I'll discuss all of it. So I'll just discuss some few points which is very important. First, let's click the all effects. Now let's double click it. Okay, so let's hold on. Okay, so let's wait for a second. Okay, here it's distortion. So let's just start with this one. So distortion here. So if you are going to have your class, if you want to make some emotions or if you want to make fun with your students, you can just click the mirror. Okay, double click. There you go. Woohoo! It's me. Oh no! Where's my head? Oh, all right. So there you go. So, and if you don't want this one, just double click this one and change another one. Okay, and you can so magic fire. There you go. Yeah, so those are the few effects of distortion. Now you can just click this one and explore. Oh no. Anyway, okay, so yeah, if you don't want this one, then click another one. Okay, so after that, let's move on to the face mask, my favorite face mask. Okay, here, this is one of my favorite effects on Minicam. So you can see here, if you can see this one, you can have, you can download it all. If you can see download it all, then just click it so you can see this effects. So this one, another effects, let me show you. Oh no, see, it's very nice. And oh, Donald Trump the president. Alright, so those are the effects. Okay, so one of the effects. Now let me go on with another one. So you have here face accessories. So here, meow, meow. So you can see, it's really nice, cool. Alright, so and of course, if you are teaching online, then it's very nice. And after that one, so those are the effects. Just double click it and the effects will show. Alright, so if you don't want to, then just click it back. And let's go on here, the borders. So you can see borders. You can also download some borders. Okay, so it's just like that one. You see? Oh, I'm freezing. Anyway, okay.